Good morning, student. How are you today? I think you fine today. Okay, now we will study about descriptive text. Anyone know about what is descriptive text? You can write this in your paper. Okay, now we will study about meaning of descriptive text. You can hear my voice and you can write down in your paper. Definition of descriptive text is a text that provides information about how something or someone looks, sounds, using words to describe something or someone like what. Social function of descriptive text: to introduce a place, person, or tourist site, to promote a place, person, or tourist site, and then to identify a place, person, or tourist spot, and the last is to describe a place, person, or tourist spot. And the second is characteristic of descriptive text. The characteristic of descriptive text has 5. First, descriptive text use verb attributes such as be, am, is, and are. And the second is descriptive text use simple present tense. Simple present tense is subject plus verb 1, and this is positive. And the negative is subject plus do or doesn't, and the interrogative is do or does plus subject. And the third is descriptive text only focus on the object. And the fourth is descriptive text use adjective. And the 5 is descriptive text use interesting language. Okay, and the next is generic structure of text descriptive. First is identification. Identification is contains the identification of something, both living things or inanimate objects that will be described. And the second is descriptive. Description contains explanation or depiction about something, both living things and inanimate object, by mentioning some of the image, characteristic, characters, or anything related of the description of something in question. So I give you example. This is example. Paris in beautiful place. The title is Paris is beautiful cities. Paris is the capital city of France. It is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It is only one of the world's most crowded cities. Lovely gardens and parks are found throughout Paris. At night, many palaces and statues are lit up. For this reason, Paris is often called the City of Light. Every year, millions of people visit Paris. The most popular place to visit is the Eiffel Tower. This huge structure has become the symbol of Paris. The Louvre, one of the world's largest art museums, draws now many visitors. The Cathedral Notre Dame, a famous church, is another favorite place to visit. Okay, I think enough for this study about descriptive text, and now I give you some text to do homework, and you can give me tomorrow. Okay, I think enough, and the bell is ringing. Now we finish our study by saying hamdalah together. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the conclusion of teach descriptive text. Descriptive texts are very simple study to high school, and descriptive text is important to high school, and you can also give in university maybe. In this teaching, I teach descriptive text. This is three material about descriptive text. First, meaning of descriptive text, and second, characteristic of descriptive text, and the third is generic structure of descriptive text. And the last is I give some text to the student, and I think enough about teach descriptive text. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.